Now we are coming to member management in LS Central. So what is member management? Member management is where we have all the loyalty customers. But we call it member management, not loyalty customers, because member management can do more. Member management can as well cover for the staff. We will see that later and understand it later. So loyalty customers are members in the LS Central. So now let's start to see how do we use members in the POS. And we have different ways of entering into a POS. And of course, the standard way would be that somebody comes with a card and we would read it. Or they come with a QR code, maybe in the phone, and they display it. So we would just scan the QR code. But here we have the virtual machine and maybe you don't have all the equipment correct. So let's just do it the manual way. So one thing is to use the member card option. So if you enter the member card option, you see the system asks you for a card number. And we have few members in the LS Central demo data. And if you enter card number 10001 and OK, you will get member Stefan Thompson because this is his card. And now Stefan can buy something, however he wants to buy, and we can finish the sale. But you will see Stefan Thompson is part of our club called Kronus, and he's in the bronze theme, and his point balance is 125. So we can display different options here, depending on the POS tags, remember. So then let's press total and finish this sale. And if you still have the virtual printer, you could see the receipt. So let's look at the receipt. Here it is. So we have our receipt where we are selling these items. But what is on the bottom of the receipt? You will see the member account. So Stefan Thompson has this member account. And today he got 48 points. He was not using any points. And this is his balance afterwards. So this is optional if these things are printed on the receipt or not. As a setup in the back of this. Another way to put in a member is just to key in his name, as you can key in items if you have the search functionality in the POS. And now we're going to enter Britt Thompson. She's in the family with Stefan Thompson. And now she's going to buy something. If she wants to buy the bag Linda, what happens? We have an item point offer. Remember, we talked about the offers, but there are some additional offers. We just talked about the main offers. And there is a possibility with the item point offers, saying that since you're buying the bag Linda for this price here, $37.50, you could use 25 points, and then you will get the price lowered to this price here, $22.50. If you want to select it, you do OK, otherwise you do cancel. Let's do that this time, and OK. So you see that Britt is now buying the bag Linda with 40% discount, because the discount amount equals to that. And she has this item point offer called bag and gloves. And let's just finish this sale with cash or whatever. The third way is to find the member. So somebody comes in, Tom comes into our store, and he forgot his card. He doesn't have a QR code or nothing for us to find him. So we can always use the member contact option, where we have some options here with operations on right and on bottom. So we want to find Tom by his name, so we key in Tom. And then we'll use search. And then we're going to find all guys with the name Tom something. So, of course, Britt comes in, Paul, Stefan, Gitta and everything. We just select Tom Thompson and press OK. And this is the guy. If you're happy, we do OK. So he's in the sale. Now he can buy whatever he wants and finish the sale. So this is how easy it is to use members in the LS Central POS. In the next section, we will look at all the data that is behind it.